Have you heard of these faceless channels and faceless videos trending on YouTube these days? In today's video, I'm here to show you how you can start your own faceless channel without anything else but your phone and AI tools. If you are a beginner, you don't know where to start, you don't know what to do, this video is for you. And if you're already into content creation and you want to diversify into something else, this video is also for you. Just like I promised in my last video, I said I was going to show you how you start making your own videos and start posting on YouTube. This video is going to show you step by step how you can start making your own videos. And this video is divided into two parts. And this part, the part one, is one I call the automatic setup, because it doesn't need anything else, just your phone and AI tools, and you're already making content and uploading on YouTube. So without wasting much time, let us begin. Head over to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. I'm going to leave it in the description for this video. The prompt says, give me 5 faceless YouTube niches with low competition and high engagements. Okay. It says animated educational explainers, number 1. Number 2 is top 5 or top 10 list videos. Yes. Then number 3 is storytelling / scary stories / mystery narratives. Number 4, niche tutorial / how-to videos that don't require on-camera presence. Number 5, relaxation and ambient / sleep meditation content videos. Okay, and from all these ones, I think I like this mystery narratives. Okay, so let me select mystery narratives. So what I'm going to ask it now is this: give me 5 video titles in the mystery narrative niche. Search. Okay, number 1, the town that vanished overnight and no one knows why. Okay. Number 2, he claimed to travel through time, then vanished without a trace. Number 3, the strange case of the man who remembered a life that never happened. Let me just pick one of these. The town that vanished overnight and no one knows why. Let me select it. This is the first step in our video generation process. After copying this title, we go down to ChatGPT and paste this title here. Tell ChatGPT to give me a script for this video with the title "The Town That Vanished Overnight and No One Knows Why." You can say, give me a 2-minute script for this video with the title. Then you send it. It's going to give you a 2-minute script, okay, with the narration and the timeline. So what you're going to do now is copy this script. To copy it, you have to press and hold. To show you this, you click on select text. Then you start from here, the title where it says "Town That Vanished," and highlight it down. After highlighting, you copy. Now you have your script. So now the next thing you do is go to your Google Chrome browser, search for this website, app.hypernatural AI. So when you get to this website, if you have not created an account here before, it's going to ask you to create an account. You put your email and select whether you're a creator or you're just curious, and it will open this interface for you. So the next thing you're going to do is this space here, paste your prompt. The script will just copy it. We'll just paste everything there, complete as it came. Then here we'll select our style. The style is the format in which we want the video to appear. Like, you can select animation, you can select anime, you can select anything from this list here. So, but based on the one we are trying to create is about something related to mystery or horror, we'll use this classic horror. Okay, so the length, we'll leave it like that, and because this is a short video, we'll leave it in this portrait format, the 9:16 format. Okay, because it fell under the YouTube Shorts category, and YouTube Shorts make use of this 9:16 aspect ratio, so we'll leave it like that. The next thing is we'll select make video. This website gives you 100 credits every month, and each video you are generating costs about 20 credits to generate. So you're going to generate a maximum of like 5 videos per month with each email you use to sign up. Okay, so when you get to this interface here, you see the narrator here. The name of the narrator here is Robert, but if you don't like Robert, you can select from the drop down. Just click near Robert, you see other narrators, but all these ones with yellow tags are the ones that you have to upgrade your account before you can use them. But all these other ones that don't have any yellow tag, you can use any of them. But I like Robert's voice, so I'm going to use Robert as my narrator.
Every character deserves.
Okay, so I'll select Robert by clicking Robert, and the next thing I'm going to do is, you can see now it has arranged our script by itself. It's going to arrange the script. It's going to give us some animations, some scenes, some, or do we call it scenarios that will make this video to come out well. Okay, now the next thing we'll do is click on make video. Okay, and allow it to generate your video. It's going to set everything up automatically. That's why I call it the automatic setup. Okay, it's going to read your script. It's going to give you actors and everything. It's going to select avatars and whatever you need to make this video come to life, and it's going to deliver an already made video. Okay, so you can see the scenarios it is arranging for us for this video, and when it's done assembling the video, it's going to play it. Okay, come down here, you see the play button. Let's tap it and see.
A town that vanished overnight, and no one knows why. In 1954, deep in the woods of southern Oregon, there was a small town called Dunwich Falls. Fewer than 300 people lived there. Loggers, farmers, and families who kept mostly to themselves. One foggy morning, a passing mail truck arrived and found nothing. No people, no animals.
Can you see the level of animations and everything this video is giving us? Without much, we have gotten this video in a clean format, and this is something that few video generators can give you right now. And let's see, the length of this video is 30 seconds, right? From down here you can see it's 30 seconds. Let's play it and see. It didn't give us the complete video, so let's play
no
it
animals,
and complete it.
No signs of struggle, just empty homes, tables set for breakfast.
So what we're going to do is we'll go to the end of this video. You can see that it didn't generate everything. It says 22 more scenes to be generated, so we'll download the one that we just made and paste our script again from the part where it left off, and continue generating our video. You understand? The part that has been generated, we'll cut that part of the script off, then we'll paste the remaining part of the script and generate the remaining part of our video. Okay, so this is the last scene of the video which is generated. Let's play it and see what it says.
Radio's still humming.
So this is the way they end their videos. So we don't need this, we can delete it. Okay, and from the script we'll know where this video left off, and we'll go there and paste the remaining part of that script and generate our remaining video. So to download the one we have generated so far, we'll tap on this button up here, this green button up here. You see share, you see download. We'll go to download and you see start export. Select it. When it's done exporting, we're going to save it to our device directly. Okay, now we can download to our device by tapping this download button here. And we can save it with that mysterious disappearance file name, or we'll change the name of the video before we download. But I like the name of the file already, so I'll just download. It has downloaded. Okay, so now to generate the remaining part of my video, I'll click up here, this button up here, tap video here. It's going to bring me to the beginning like I did the first time. Then I'm going to paste the remaining part of my script here to generate the remaining part of my video. Okay, so when I've done that and generated my video, for instance, I've downloaded it to my device. The next thing I'm going to do is bring this video to CapCut where I can edit it. Why you have to edit it in CapCut is so that you can add your music, you can add your sound effects, anything you want to add, any overlay, whatever you want to add that will make this video totally your own. You can do that in CapCut. Okay, but already you have a video to work with, and that is the most important part. Okay, so we'll head over to CapCut and edit our video. I head over to CapCut, select new project, and I will import all those my clips. Yes.
One town, 300 souls, gone in a single night. The town that vanished overnight, a true mystery.
Import the next one.
In 1950,
Import the next one.
some say Dunwich Falls was the victim of a government.
I'm going to edit, cut the parts that I don't need, join everything together. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm just going to add music. Tap on audio down here, select sounds, select this file here that looks like a folder, click here where it says device, search for the song in your device which you want to use. I have my custom audio that I use for my videos, so I'm going to look for it. I'm going to import it. So this is my video.
One town, 300 souls, gone in a single night. The town that vanished over.
I will have to do something about the watermark in this video, but I'm not going to be doing everything here to avoid some copyright issues. So if you want to know how I do that in CapCut, go to my Telegram channel. The link will be there in my description for this video, so follow that link to join my Telegram channel where I go beyond what I do here on YouTube. I can answer your questions and make everything that you want to understand clear to you. So to avoid some copyright issues, I'm not going to be saying that here. But finally, I was able to edit my video, and I want to show you next steps how to upload it on YouTube. And on that note, we have come to the end of today's video. I will be making a follow-up video because I don't want this video to be too long. In that video, I'll be showing you how to upload this video to your YouTube, making use of your full content package, and by that I mean your thumbnails, your keywords, your descriptions, your tags and hashtags. So watch out for that video. After that, I'll be making the part 2 of this series. In the second part of this series, which I call the semi-automatic setup, we are going to talk about how we use AI tools and a little effort from us to be able to generate our videos. In this case, we'll be talking about the script generation, voiceover generation, scene generations, and video editing. When we combine all these things together, we're going to get our complete video. If you actually learned something from this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment to encourage me to keep making more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, so that when I drop another video, you'll be the first to know. I hope to see you in the next video, and until then, stay creative.